Well, we got our Kingfisher. He took over the perch now. Just a talking a little bit. Oh yeah. Down at the Boeing Aerospace pond, Cooper Hawk flew out of the tree and the Kingfisher flew up in it, so we'll watch this one for a bit, see what happens. Been making his call a little bit. We also have green herons here, so a lot of our bird friends come down and try to check it out. They've nested here for years, green herons. No great blue herons. They nest about a mile away behind the animal shelter. They got about 80 nests in there. They nest there every year. Green River Natural Resource Area. Here we have our Kingfisher. He's just a calling. We like to find when it's cool like this. We got filtered light. It's a great day. Well, we'll see if we can go find one of those juvenile Cooper Hawks in the area. See what's happening. All right then.